Hello, hello. That's Daddy. How you doing? I'm part of your state now. I'm part of your state. Just became a New Mexico resident today. And look at you. Here you are, babies. There you are. Aren't you pretty boy? Hi, come on. Come on, little guy. Just like a friend of mine said, you're eating right out of my hand, a state bird. It's okay, it's just the wind. Oh. Come on. Oh, and Woody. Come on, you're okay. Come on, little guys. Here he comes. Woody, you leave him alone. Back up. You leave him alone. Back off. It's okay. He's just scratching his nails, acting like he's big shit. He ain't. Whoops. We don't want the hamburger. We want you. Come on, come and get it. You want me to give it to you closer? It's okay. It's okay. Holding the door. You're okay. Yeah, see? It's no big deal. It's no big deal. But I got the state bird eating right out of my hand. And what you think, huh? What you think? One more? One more. Oh, don't be scared. Come here. Oh, look at you. So pretty. You're so pretty. I'll give it to you closer. Come on. Oh. You're so pretty, Fast Eddie. You're so pretty. You're okay, I'll hold open the door. It's alright. Come on. Got the camera in your face, got the door going, got the kitty. Look how pretty you are. My goodness. I think he's done. I think he's done. All right, well, ooh, shake it off, bud. We'll see you later. Pretty day out, even though it's windy. You gotta leave him alone. You're a good boy. All right, till next time, happy trails.